Allan were made to believe that he's one of the likable people in this country. And that people who are not even NPP, at that time he was in NPP, who are not even NPP will vote for Allan if Allan is on the ticket of the NPP, right? All kinds of things were said about the person.
Yeah.
Yes, Allan is a big stalwart in this Fourth Republic when it comes to NPP politics, so you can't take that away from him.
Yeah.
So when people projected him as somebody that can easily pull the vote for the NPP, somebody that people who are not even NPP are willing to vote for. Even some NDC members are willing to vote for. And all kinds of information was shared that that is the kind of Allan people should expect. And then he broke away from the NPP to form his party. And if all the attributes that have been said about him had worked, I was thinking Allan could have pulled about 10% of the vote in the last elections. So when I look at all the things said about Allan and how he was projected, that even minus NPP, there are many Ghanaians in the other parties, including those we call floating voters, who will prefer Allan over any other candidate in an election. And then Allan goes into the elections. What are the results? Allan had 32,457 votes. The percentage is 0.28%. 0.28%. This is Allan that has been part of our political process in the Fourth Republic.
Yeah.
Then another new entrant, Nana Kwame Bediakun, we all call him Cheddar, right?
Yeah.
That's his popular name.
Yeah.
That is his first time. Cheddar has not been part of our political system in this Fourth Republic. He only emerged in the last elections and said he wants to be president. Allan, Cheddar was able to beat Allan.
Yeah.
Cheddar had 88,944 votes, which represents 0.76%.
Yeah.
Okay? So if I look at Allan Chiramantin, who has been part and parcel of the political process for the past 30 plus years, and Cheddar, who only emerged in the last elections, and we put them to the test in the last election, and Cheddar has about 3 times the votes Allan had. Clearly, I think Allan and the people around him in the Ghanaian politics are actually fading off. And therefore, if they are the leaders, and if Allan is going to be the one on the ticket of the party, I don't think that anything significant is going to change. And that is why I have said somewhere, and I'll say that if you're a young person and you are looking for a political party, and you think that politics is what you want to do, I don't think that this party gives you any opportunity. Because I'm giving you statistical evidence that if Allan for the past 30 years has been part and parcel of the political process, and we've been made to believe that people like him so much that if he stands, no candidate can beat him. And then he left the NPP to go and form his own party. And all the people we are told liked him, who are not even NPP and will be willing to vote for him. Now the man was on the ballot, and he had 32,000. It meant that all those things that were said about him really did not translate to the vote.
Was there.
From this video that we just watched, it tells you everything you need to know about Kennedy Agyapon today. Now today, you see some people from the NDC telling you that so the Kennedy Agyapon by better about Kennedy Agyapon by better about man. One example, na man in Mayan. That was the same thing they said a year about Allan Cash. People made him believe that there were people in the New Patriotic Party, the National Democratic Congress, the NDC, are now open to the extent that some people they will vote for him. And no idea it didn't trim. I'm an adjourn and say, if that's the case, then I will go as independent candidate, and inshallah, say to Mamia, I would win and become what? The flag bearer. The president. So in her mind, now doing that say, Obeko election now ko win in the fala, not knowing that any sanity. What do I say? Not knowing that send no juneno. And ben who baby and now they are seeing the reality. That's why I said say, why do you say you are going to vote for Kennedy Agyapon because you think someone in NDC will come and vote for him. For Allan, as some video you will share, fire a photo never too awful. because there is no way anyone in NDC would wake up and say Onoka Kosala Koto Obama Kennedy Agyapon because he's part of the New Patriotic Party. No one, no real NDC member never sorry I'm telling you, and that's the fact. Zoom Mafia, Omega, Monam. Now say NDC for class and be better man massa. Agyapon no deceiving. You see, this video that you just watched is telling you the real definition of NDC and propaganda. That's the reason why today you see someone like Kevin Taylor, of all people, after all the beef and the things that has been between him and Kevin Agyapon, today on also sell or campaign like Kevin Agyapon because they know what they are doing. And they are going to manipulate the system for people to believe that they are going to vote for him. That is the same thing they did to Allan. And today, Allan obtained a party 2% mpo wenya. 0.2% mpo wenya in the last election 2024. And that's why I to UP. It's a United Party, a useless party. Useless party. Ungrateful people. Unserious people. So how UP no kote and as children no. Mr. Agyapon say, so what dumb not Jin Hudia, he should just move from the NPP and go and join either go and form his own political party or join Allan and let's see. Let's go for the election 2028 and let's see. Because that time you are not part of the NPP, whatever you say, it doesn't hold water. People will know that whatever you are saying it out of hatred and pain because, bro, you are not part of them anymore. So you are just saying things because you are hurt for something. That's how people you feel. So you can break out and go. No one cares. No one gives a damn about you, bro. No one gives a damn about you. I'm telling you. So if in your mind, all feel say, yeah, the Agyapon be Bama, Ghana for Kosala Koto Abama. I'm telling you, say you are making a big mistake. A very big mistake. You are making, and don't be deceived. Don't be deceived by anyone in the NDC. They will never vote for you. They don't like you. They don't like you. They will just lie to you, but they would never go and queue this line on 7th December and vote for you. They will not do that mistake. Oh, they don't. They won't do that. I'm telling you. That's the honest truth you don't want to understand, but it's the fact. They would never vote for you. So if you think someone in NDC is telling you that they will vote for you and you think it is true, bro, I'm telling you on authority to say, and they would never vote for you. So it is time you realize this thing and find something better to do with your money. I'm telling you, that's the truth, bro. That is the truth. There is no way someone in NDC will wake up and work with joining lines over to Obama. It is not going to happen. So if I share with them, why?